It's all about chivalry, Jive Turkey. Learn how to be a real gentleman. Here's some helpful hints and news you can use, choose, and guaranteed to snap you tight to your gal. Here's a fact. Girls hate to get their feet soaked up and soggy. Don't count on your gal to open the auto door by herself. You open that door and help her out. That way she can get out like the classy lady she is. Always open the door for your gal. You don't know what kind of dirty germs might be on that handle. Your gal don't want to pull out her own chair. That's your job, fool. It's all about etiquette, men. Manners and all that nonsense. Show your lady that you can be a gentleman. Chivalry always pays off.